had client reviews go missing from your Google business profile? I have some great news for you. Google recently created a new form and process to help business owners recover their missing reviews. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through that process step by step. Hello there, I'm Lisa Suazo, your Marketing Technology Director with MyHome, here with today's Nerd Nugget, your bite-sized marketing technology tip that you can implement in your business today. If you have had the frustrating challenge of a client telling you that they submitted a Google review for you, but it's not showing up on your profile, or worse, it showed up and now it's gone, you're not alone. In early 2022, Google introduced a new review filter, an automated filter, and unfortunately, a ton of legitimate reviews have gotten pulled out as spam. They've gotten caught in that filter, and I know many of you have struggled with this. Well, finally, Google has created a specific form and process to address missing reviews and to help you get them reinstated. And so I want to walk you through that process step by step. The link to that form and process is in the description under the video, and it's here as well. Now, let's get to the step-by-step walkthrough. So once you click the link, it should bring you here. Now, first thing is you want to make sure you're logged into the Google account that manages your Google business profile. So if you aren't logged in, log into the correct account and then click that contact link from here. Okay. First thing you want to do is select which business you need help with. I have multiple businesses I manage, so I'm going to select that one. And then under tell us what we can help with, say missing review. Then click next. It's going to find the best option. So click review missing and then next step. Now you're going to bypass all of these resources. We don't want to go down that rabbit hole. So just click next step. And then you get to contact options, which you're just going to select email. It's the only contact option you have. Okay, now you're going to fill in the necessary information. So obviously, what's your name? My name is Lisa Suazo. What's your primary email address? This is going to be the email address, again, that is associated with that Google account that manages your Google business profile, okay? Also, phone number. Now, I would suggest the same phone number that you also have associated with that business profile. What is your relationship to the business? I own this business. Now, under business name and business address, you want to choose exactly what is on your Google business profile. So I recommend having that up in a secondary window, okay? And you're going to copy and paste. That is your business name right there. So I'm going to go back to my form, put in my business name, my business address. Again, I'm going to go back to my Google business and copy this address. Now, if you do not have an address, a public address, maybe you're just using service areas, under this address, I did test it just saying, right here, instead of an address, no business address, period. I use service areas and I was still able to submit the request. It was fine as long as I had something in this field. So hopefully you should be able to do that. Now, when it asks for your business profile ID, let me show you where to find that. It's an optional field, so you don't have to worry about this, but if you can, go into your Google Business Dashboard, click on the three dots, go to Business Profile Settings, then Advanced Settings. And this is that number, your business profile ID. So just click copy ID, go back to your form and just paste it there. Okay. Now, has the profile recently been suspended or disabled? Hopefully not. So I'm going to say no. Does it belong to an elementary, secondary, or high school? No. And then give it information. So how many reviews are missing from the profile? Do you know that you had multiple reviews missing? If so, select 1 to 10. Do you know if new reviews are being published on the profile? Go ahead and say, I'm not sure. If you know that you've had three clients submit reviews recently and none of them have shown up, click no. What's the time frame? So I'm just going to say, within the last 2 weeks. So give them that information. It helps them look for it. Reviewer name. You want this name to be exactly what the name on the account is of the person who reviewed you. So if you can get your client to send you a screenshot of the review that they submitted with their name, that's helpful. So if it's their, the full name, like Lisa Suazo, but it could just be like L Suazo 22. Or something like that if they use that to create the account. right? So get the exact name, describe your issue, let them know if your client said that they, submitted a review for you 2 weeks ago and you still haven't seen it, or maybe it was put up and it was up for weeks and then you notice that it just came down, whatever the issue is, obviously. Related case IDs. So here's the thing, guys. When you put in this information, you submit it, you're going to go to a screen that basically says, thank you, here is your case ID. So you've got that case ID so you can continue to follow up. So if for whatever reason you don't hear back, go ahead and resubmit and give an outstanding, you can put in the related case ID. So hold on to that case ID number that it gives to you in case you need to fill out another support request and have that related case ID. Otherwise, you should submit it and you're good to go. Now, remember, this form is new, this process is new, so we're not exactly sure how successful it is, how long it will take, but resources that I've seen say that it will take somewhere between 7 to 10 business days to get this corrected by Google. But I want to hear from you. If you use this process, you submit a reinstatement request, I'd love to hear, how did it go? Did they reinstate it within 7 to 10 business days? Did it take longer, less time? How was the process for you? Was it successful? Any recommendations that you would make to others trying to go through the process to make it a little more seamless? So I welcome your feedback. Please comment on this video, comment wherever you see it posted. I'd appreciate that so much. I hope that was helpful for you. Again, keep me posted on how it goes for you. Thank you as always for watching, and we'll see you next time.